Rakesh sir. Hello, Ritesh sir. This is Mahima. It's an honor to meet you virtually.
Hi, how are you, Mahima?
Good. How are you doing?
All good. Yeah.
So first of all, I would like to congratulate you on the love that your trailer has received. Tufan is being loved by everybody.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So I want to start off by asking you, what is the best reaction that your family and friends gave you when they watched the trailer? Starting with Ritesh sir.
The best reaction, I mean, after watching the trailer, they were just looking at me and saying, "Abhi picture kab dikha rahe ho?" You know, so that was a positive reaction, and we can't wait to watch the film. And that's what you hope your trailer does. You know, it creates that desire to go out and watch the film. And I think most of them, you know, when they saw posters, because most of the posters were like, if you saw them, if you've been noticing them, they're all to do with the boxing. And when you see the trailer, you don't realize that, oh, there's a lot more to this, which I think the trailer gave you a little bit insight, like a teaser into what more layers are there in this film. So I think that evokes something where they all, you know, most of the people, even the comments we saw was that, you know, we didn't realize there's so much more. And suddenly the character which is played by Mrunal came out, you know, they said Ananya's part, and they took up the small, even though we had seeded them very little into the trailer, they picked all that up and they started asking questions. So, which was a great place, because that's what we were hoping to do with the trailer, you know, to create that kind of a desire to go out and consume the film.
Rakesh sir, how about you?
We received so much love for the trailer. Fingers crossed, I hope the film lives up to it. And you know, on the other hand, is like Ritesh was saying, it's at best it's a peep show right now. It's a snippet of things to come. Let me promise you, the film will unfold in many different layers and many different ways. When you see the film, trailer, not only the response in our country, but across sections, across languages, across countries, has struck a chord, which goes out to say that there is a universal emotion and a universal connect to it, you know, and not for just a particular reason, but there are so many factors, and everyone in the family is, you know, whether you're young or old, you know, whether a husband, a wife, a mother, father, uncle, auntie, grandparents, kids, they're all loving it. So I was not ready to be honest, for such an overwhelming response.
But didn't you anticipate it already? Because, I mean, the movie is already looking like a masterpiece.
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. When you make a movie or you cut a trailer for it, and all you're doing is what you know, what your job, and you're doing it to the best of your ability. The results and all you don't anticipate, otherwise you'll go crazy. Yeah.
So it was a pleasant surprise.
Overwhelming.
Okay, so Ritesh, I wanted to ask you, how did the story of Tufan originate? Like, what is the story behind Tufan? Behind Tufan's story?
I mean, the story originated from Farhan. We were sitting in office, and, you know, like how we talk about various ideas, and, you know, we commission certain ideas, which when we were obviously looking at scripts which have not come to us, you know. So he was talking of this story idea, and then he went out and just wrote like 2 pages. And we said, okay, let's bring in Anjum, who's written the screenplay. And then Anjum came back with her 25, 30 pages. And when we read that, we really felt that, okay, it's in a place now, we need to bring in a director, you know, who has Farhan and Rakesh have had a great equation. They work together. There was a constant, obviously even Rakesh and me have been speaking about how to collaborate between Romp and Excel to make a film. And then Farhan said, you know, listen, I'm going to call Rakesh. I think, let's see if he gets into it. And Rakesh came in, he heard the story idea, which was about in 15 or 20 minutes. And his reaction was immediate. Like, he said, listen, we have to go out and make this movie. And within, I think the next day itself, he set up a time with Anjum, and he started, sharing his thoughts and ideas, because at the end of the day, it's the director which comes in, and it's his vision which is going to bring it from paper onto film. That's how it started. So it's like, it was just a lovely journey with, Rakesh coming on board, and then collaborating with Vijay, with Anjum, and bringing this film to life today,
So it has turned out wonderfully.
Yes, we have enjoyed it a lot. Hopefully you will now. You've seen the trailer. I want you to watch the movie, so you can give us your feedback after that.
Eagerly waiting. Okay, so Rakesh sir, in a recent interview, you mentioned that if you put Bhaag Milkha Bhag and Rang De Basanti into a mixer, you would get Tufan. I really wanted to ask you, what did you mean by that?
I meant if you take a mixer grinder and you pour Bhaag Milkha Bhag into it and Rang De Basanti, what will come out is Tufan. So it was a very personal statement. It was said in a lighter vein, but it has a deep meaning. What I meant was, as much I've enjoyed Rang De Basanti and Bhaag Milkha Bhag, and I put those both experiences together, I've come out as enriched in Tufan, because it's a very relevant story. It's a story you have to say, in today's times. And it's a story which is beautifully told, beautifully performed as such. It's a story which is got to connect with everyone. So when you're making a film, you're not just making a film. You become a part of the whole process, and you give it everything you have, but it also takes away a lot from you, a part of you, and it becomes a part of you for the rest of your life. So that's what I meant, that the feeling I had after Rang De Basanti and Bhaag Milkha Bhag, if I put both the feelings together, it's equal to Tufan.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for that, sir. So before I take your leave, I have just one more question. Ritesh sir, you and Farhan have been working together since decades. You've known each other since forever, since before he made his acting debut. So according to you, you've seen his entire journey. What is your opinion about it? And according to you, which has been his most wonderful performance till date?
Oh God. It's very difficult, because Farhan wears so many hats. He sings, he writes, he directs, he acts. But I must tell you one thing which I've been noticing. I know him from, we were in school together, and that has remained constant, is that he is very, very focused. He's dedicated. So whatever role he may take up, whether it's acting, directing, he'll give it his 100%. And he does it with complete conviction. He, like I said, when you give your 100% in anything you do, and you go with that full conviction, and he's coming only from that space. So I think that's why maybe he's fortunate to be successful in anything he's chosen, because he's very honest to it, and he'll only do it if he believes. He just won't do it because, so even the kind of roles he picks up to act in, the characters he wants to play, or the movies he wants to direct, he's very clear and focused, and that is something which is a great quality to have. I think he's got complete clarity, and then when he follows that, he's focused, he's dedicated, and he just goes for it. So, I mean, it's very difficult to pick which one, but I mean, each one of those characters he's played, whether you take him as Imran in ZNMD, or you take him in, he's very, very convincing. For that time when you're watching him, you start believing, and he lives that off screen. So all through this process, we had to deal with all his tantrums, because he was not being eating, he was not being fed enough, he was on a constant diet, and so we used to hide when he was out. So he thought we were supporting him, but actually we were running away from him and consuming everything which he couldn't. So when he lives and he does a particular character, he starts believing that's him. So like I said, whether it's been Imran, or he's played, Milkha Singh ji in Bhaag Milkha Bhag, or now when he's playing Arju in Tufan, he just starts living that person, And so it's very difficult, because for that moment, you're completely convinced, there's nobody better than him who could come and complete this character as an actor, So, I mean, it's very difficult for me to say which has been that one character which has stayed on,
Okay, so Rakesh sir, you'd agree with that, or are you a little more towards partial towards Tufan?
I think the best character most certainly is the next one we're gonna make together.
So thank you so much, Rakesh sir and Ritesh sir. It was lovely talking to you, an absolute honor. All the very best for Tufan.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.